Are you ready to learn everyday English? Lesson 102. My diet. Yummy. Let's go.
균형 잡힌 식사.
A balanced meal. A balanced meal.
균형 잡힌 식사를 하는 것은
To eat a balanced meal. To eat a balanced meal.
나는 노력해요.
I try. I try.
나는 균형 잡힌 식사를 하려고 노력해요.
I try to eat a balanced meal. I try to eat a balanced meal.
매일,
Every day. Every day.
매일 나는 균형 잡힌 식사를 하려고 노력해요.
Every day, I try to eat a balanced meal. Every day, I try to eat a balanced meal.
너무 많은 고기,
Too much meat. Too much meat.
너무 많은 고기를 먹는 것은
To eat too much meat. To eat too much meat.
나는 고기를 너무 많이 먹지 않아요.
I don't eat too much meat. I don't eat too much meat.
많은 채소와 생선,
A lot of vegetables and fish. A lot of vegetables and fish.
나는 많은 채소와 생선을 먹어요.
I eat a lot of vegetables and fish. I eat a lot of vegetables and fish.
대신에,
Instead. Instead.
대신에 나는 많은 채소와 생선을 먹어요.
Instead, I eat a lot of vegetables and fish. Instead, I eat a lot of vegetables and fish.
많은 과일,
A lot of fruits. A lot of fruits.
많은 과일을 먹는 것은
To eat a lot of fruits. To eat a lot of fruits.
나는 과일을 많이 먹지 않아요.
I don't eat a lot of fruits. I don't eat a lot of fruits.
안타깝게도
Unfortunately. Unfortunately.
안타깝게도 나는 과일을 많이 먹지 않아요.
Unfortunately, I don't eat a lot of fruits. Unfortunately, I don't eat a lot of fruits.
개선하는 것은
To improve. To improve.
나는 해야 해요.
I have to. I have to.
나는 개선해야 해요.
I have to improve. I have to improve.
어떤 것,
something, something,
내가 개선해야 하는 것,
something that I have to improve, something that I have to improve.
이것은 내가 개선해야 할 것이에요.
It is something that I have to improve. It is something that I have to improve.
당신의 식단,
Your diet. Your diet.
당신의 식단은 어때요?
How is your diet? How is your diet?
오늘은 여기까지. 구독과 좋아요. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 안녕.